Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can upscale images in Photoshop. So for that you have to open Photoshop and you have to open that image you wanna upscale. So from here you will find the image option. You have to click on that, and here you will find image size. You have to click on that. So you can decrease the zoom from here, and it will show you the current dimension of this picture. So you can make it in pixels as well, and from here you have to select the size you want to upscale. So but I will suggest you guys to select the size according to the proportions, or else it will get stretched, which will not look good. So I'm gonna upscale it a bit. So as this option is selected, if I select this option, then when I increase the width, it will also increase the height accordingly. You can also increase the resolution, but I'm gonna keep the default one. And from here you have to right click click on Resample, make sure it is checked, and here under automatic option you will find many type of resample option. So as you are upscaling this image, if you upscale it automatically, it will get very much noisy. But if you want to preserve details, or you can make it a bit smoother, then you can choose the option accordingly. So I'm gonna preserve details for enlarging this image, and I'm going to select a percentage, how much noise I want to remove from the image, and click on OK. So as you can see, the image has been upscaled, but the noise hasn't increased that much. I mean, the noise is not noticeable. But if I did it automatically, then it wouldn't have upscaled properly. So I will suggest you guys to experiment with these options and this reduce noise meter to increase your upscale your photo properly and without any noise. So that's all for today. If you want more videos like this, then comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.